This video is going to explain X-Hide Spam. This is a new, spent quite a bit of time creating this free Chrome extension. So this is a Chrome extension. If you're in Chrome, if you go to the top right corner right here, you see this little puzzle piece right there? Just click on that and then you can manage your extensions. Extensions are just little sub things that are cool that you can add to a browser. So if you scroll down here, here's ours. Here's X-Hide Spam right here. Okay. So now you know what extensions are. Anyway, that's what does all the cool stuff. And what it does is it will get rid of and hide Discord spam bots and other spam from your Twitter searches. Like if you do a stock or crypto search, you know how you get all that spam with the symbol? Well, this gets rid of it, okay? Let me show you how it works. Okay, I'm running a scan on jagex, or a search, right? And here we go. Here's the first one. Here we go. Going to a Discord, right? And here's another one. This Trade Live with Top Traders. Going to Discord. Just a lot of spam here, okay? Look at all this. And it's just distracting. Here's some more. Here we go. Here we go. Gotta hate that. Here we go. Here we go. This is all spam, okay? So what X-Hide Spam does is gets rid of all this so you don't even see it anymore. So anyway, I've got it installed. And here it is right here, X-Hide Spam, clean your feed. So I had it turned off, so I'm going to turn it on, okay? And I'm going to go back and we're going to reload this page. Okay, this is a reload of the search. So the first thing, remember that first spam message? Now it's replaced by this little thing telling you that, you know, the program, that's active. Okay, it's working. But from now on it does. But see, all the rest of them are gone. I think if we scroll up, that one should go away too. Yeah, see, it's gone now. All right. So the rest of this is mostly, you know, good research from guys posting on it. All that bullshit is gone. So now you can concentrate on real DD, all right? Like XTrader here, and some other popular guys, people. Like here we go, new alerts have been posted in the last few hours, okay? This is going to a Reddit thread. So this is where you can get real DD now. You don't have to, you know, slog through all that bullshit. So anyway, that's how it works. I highly recommend it. It's free. We have the basic free version gets rid of all the Discord, which is like 70% of it. And then we got a paid version for $10 a year and $30 for lifetime. That'll delete all the spam that it can find, okay? But like most of it's gone now. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and onward and upward, baby.